Today, I want to invite you to spend this morning with me on the yoga mat. It will be gentle, simple flow to relax the body. Let's start.
I lie on my back and start lifting my legs one by one. Try it with me. Keep your belly engaged and feel your core working. This pose strengthens the abs and gives a sense of inner power. I lift my legs up and balance the body on my shoulders and forearms. Join me. Point your feet toward the sky and feel the blood flowing freely through the body. This asana calms the mind, improves focus, and fills the body with energy. I bring the soles of my feet together and let my knees gently fall to the sides. Join me. Notice how the breath becomes deeper. This pose helps to relax and prepare for the practice. I move into the side plank, pressing into my hand and reaching in one line. Try it with me. Feel how the arms and core activate. At first, balance may be tricky, but with steady breathing comes stability and confidence. I place my palms and feet on the mat, lift my hips up, and shape the body into a triangle. Join me. Feel the spine lengthen, the shoulders open, and the breath become lighter. This pose relieves fatigue and fills the body with energy. I move into the side plank, pressing into my hand and reaching in one line. Try it with me. Feel how the arms and core activate. At first, balance may be tricky, but with steady breathing comes stability and confidence. I sit cross-legged, straighten my back, and gently stretch my neck. Join me. Let the breath fill you with calmness. Sukhasana helps to finish the practice and feel harmony inside.